Music Awards 2017 Best English Video is...
And the Golden Cup Award for Best Special Program.
And the Oscar goes to...
The Grammy goes to...
It's a great way of recognizing great work. It's a pat on the back for the PR practitioners who did that great work. And it's a way to inspire other PR practitioners to do equally, if not even better work.